Alright, good evening students. Today we'll be starting with question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, so let us start with question number 5. So categorize each of the following as rational or irrational. If they are rational of the form a by b, what can you say about prime factorization of b? Alright, this looks very complicated, but it is the most simplest of them all. So this is question number 5 and this is question number 6. So in question number 5, the number is 14.2312345. all right, so in this case there is no symbol. All right, there is no symbol like this. There is no symbol like this, which indicates that it is a repeating decimal number. So in this case we can clearly see that it has an ending and the number ends at 5. So if the number ends at 5 and if there is no repeating, all right, if there is no dot like this, which shows that it is a repeating decimal number, so it simply means that it is a terminating decimal number and it is of the form 2m into 5 to the power n. All right, so the answer for this one will simply be it is a rational number. All right, it is a rational number as it has a terminating, all right, terminating decimal. So this will simply be your answer. It is a rational number as it has a terminating decimal and b is of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. All right, so it is very simple. If it is a terminating decimal number, it will always be in the form of 2m into 5 to the power n. All right, now for the second case, question number 5, sub question number 2. All right, now here we can clearly see that it is a non-repeating recurring decimal. It simply means that it continues on forever. It has no ending. So even if we die, this number will not have any ending. All right, so if it is in this case, so we can simply write it is not a rational number. All right, as it is not in the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So this is very simple. This is your answer. All right, so question number 5 and question number 8 exactly the same, so you will do it by yourself. So I will show question number 6 and number 7. Alright students, so let us start with question number 6. So remember, question number 8 you have to do it by yourself, exactly the same as question number 5. Alright, so number 6, which rational are represented by? Alright, so in this case this is very simple. So these are decimal numbers, we have to express them in we have to convert them into rational numbers. So you write we have 0.125. so in this case what we will do next is, when we remove the decimal point, what will happen? It will be divided by 1000. all right, because behind the rational behind the decimal point, how many numbers are there? 1 2 3, so it will be 3 zeros, 1 2 3. all right, so after dividing this one, we will get 125 into 1, 125 into 8. So therefore 1 by 8 is the required rational number. All right, so it's very simple. You just have to remove the decimal point and you will get the rational number. So in this case, for number 6, 2 and 3, you will do it by yourself. Then I will show question number 7. Right, students, we will be starting with question number 7. So question number 7 also almost similar to 6, but in this case the number are non-terminating. All right, whereas in question number 6 it is terminating. It becomes easy for us to represent it as a rational number. But in question number 7, because the numbers are repeating, it will be a little bit, the method will be a little bit different. All right, so in this case we have 0.3. so in this case we have a bar over 3, which simply means that 3 is a non-terminating repeating decimal number, so it will repeat forever and ever. All right, amen. All right, so let us convert this one into a rational number. So you write we have 0 x is equal to 0.3. all right, on top it is a bar, so x is equal to 0. We will remove the bar, so it will be 0.33 dot 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 dot. All right, it is it simply means that it is a repeating decimal number, non-repeating decimal number. All right, now this second part, what we will do is we will name this as equation 1. so what we will do is multiplying by 10. all right, by 10 on both sides of equation 1 we get. all right, so why do we have to multiply by 10? So we have to multiply by 10 because in this case behind decimal number there is only 3. all right, in this case the only repeating number is 3, so it is a single digit, so therefore there will only be 1 0. In case if it is like 0.35 bar, so in this case it means that there are two numbers which are repeating, so it will be divided by 100. all right, but in this case only one number is repeating, therefore we are multiplying it by 10. all right, so if it is if the repeating decimal is 2, we will multiply by 100. otherwise if it is 1, we will multiply by 10. all right, so after multiplying equation 1 by 10, what do we get? 10x is equal to 3.3333. all right, dot dot dot. so this will be equation 2. so next what we will do is equation 2 we subtract with equation 1 give us, so it will be 10x minus x is equal to 3.333 dot 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 minus 0.333 dot dot dot. all right, so what happens over here is after subtracting we will get 9x, and here we will be getting 3. so x is equal to 3 by cross multiply, 9 will come down, so 3133. so x is equal to 1 by 3. so this will be the rational number. all right, so I will just give you some hint. so for question number 2 it is 0.9999. so in this case the repeating number is only 9. all right, so in this case also you will be multiplying by 10 because the repeating number is only 9. all right, now in case for number 3, In case for number 3, the repeating decimal number, all right, in this case, so 3.351515151, so on and so forth. So in this case, the repeating decimal number is 51 51 51. All right, so and we have a number 3. So in this case, what you will do first is you will multiply first by 10. All right, exactly like in equation number 2. First you will multiply by 10, then after that you will multiply again by 100. All right, why? Because the repeating decimal number is 5 and 1, so it is 2, so you will multiply again by 100, then you will get the value of x. All right, so first same thing like this, you will multiply first by 10, and after getting this one you will again multiply by 100. All right, the reason is because the two repeating decimal number are 5 and 1. Then after this you can start with equation 3 minus equation 2, and you will be getting the answer. All right, so you try it by yourself. So we have completed chapter 1 according to your syllabus, and then in the next class we will be starting with chapter 2. Thank you.